Hey folks, so welcome to Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event here in Brooklyn at the Barclays Center. This is the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 is on the left, the Note 10 Plus is on the right. The Note 10, the one here, is a 6.3-inch display. The Note 10 Plus, the one here, is a 6.8-inch display. Both are Super AMOLED, and as you can see, they look like almost completely bezel-less. There is a punch hole camera that's in the middle of the display, and that's basically what these phones look like from the front. So let me actually give you a quick tour of each of them. So this is the Note 10 Plus, as you can see, and you know, it's a pretty damn gorgeous machine, as you would expect, obviously. This is what it looks like in the back. So this is a blue one that comes in various colors, of course, lots of fingerprints. It's triple camera system. I don't really know any of the technical details on this camera, other than there is a main sensor, a telephoto or like zoom sensor, and then an ultra wide sensor as well. There's a time of flight camera. You can see it here between two of the yellowish round sensors there. And that time of flight allows a whole bunch of new functionality, and I'll get to that into a second. So you got the Samsung logo back here, and of course at the bottom here we have a S Pen. So let me pull that out. There you go. So the S Pen obviously has evolved a little bit this year. What they've added to this pen is a gyro and an accelerometer. So basically it lets you control the camera by using gestures. So that's pretty exciting. What else is there to talk about? Well, obviously Snapdragon 855. There's going to be an Exynos version as well at some point. The Plus here comes in two configuration. Both have 12 gigs of RAM. One has 256 gigs of storage, and one has 512 gigs of storage. There is an interesting little tidbit here, is that the power lock key is actually on the left-hand side along with the volume rocker. There's nothing on the right, which is really weird. Also, no dedicated Bixby button or anything like that. On top here you have basically the SIM slot, and there's only micro SD on the 10 Plus, no micro SD on the Note 10. Some microphones, and at the bottom, of course, the USB Type-C port, no headphone jack, speaker, and the silo for the S Pen. So that's kind of what it looks like, and you know, as a quick glance. Some of the other specs I have available here, I'm gonna share with you in a second. The battery in the Note 10 Plus is 4,300 milliamp hour, and the battery in the Note 10 is 3,500 milliamp hour. So let me show you the Note 10. This is, again, lots of fingerprints here, but a very, very glossy, beautiful kind of yellow gold finish. The cameras are the same, but I'm not sure the time of flight camera exists on the Note 10. So I think it only is on the Note 10 Plus. Samsung logo, the usual. Then we've got that beautiful display. Same layout all around. You get the USB-C microphone, speaker, and the stylus silo. Nothing on the left-hand side, no buttons. But on the right-hand side, you got the power lock and volume buttons, which is interesting. SIM card slot on top with microphones, but no micro SD and no headphone jack on the regular Note 10. So slightly smaller, more manageable for people who want a slightly smaller Note, but no expandable storage or headphone jack on either of these. So this is what they look like side by side. The Note 10 regular comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. As I said, the Note 10 Plus has 256 or 512 gigs with 12 gigs of storage. Snapdragon 855 or Exynos. So that's as expected. Same camera system other than the time of flight camera on the Note 10 Plus. And that's basically it in a nutshell. There's a bunch of new functionality that comes in the software, obviously, because the S Pen supports the gyro and accelerometer. So that's a nice little bonus. You can do a whole bunch of things like rotate your hand like this with the stylus to zoom in and out, things like that. Very cool. Pricing is $949 for the Note 10, and we're looking at $1099 for the Note 10 Plus. That's a lot of money, but then again, you know, you're getting one of the top phones on the market today. There'll be a 5G version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus as well. It's going to be available on Verizon and a bunch of other carriers. So yeah, in the box there'll be USB Type-C headphones, which is nice since there's no headphone jack anymore. Another thing, both of these support 45 watt charging, but they only have a 25 watt charger in the box. And the Note 10 supports 12 watt wireless charging, while the Note 10 Plus supports 15 watt wireless charging. So that's basically it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this quick hands-on video with the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus here from New York. I'll have more on the channel soon, so remember, please subscribe, tell your friends, and like the video, comment below as well. And then don't forget that this is a compliment to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. You should subscribe to Mobile Tech Podcast. Check out tankgirl.com, my website, for deals. There's always a bunch of great deals if you're looking to buy a phone at a discount. And then finally, I want to thank our sponsor. ProXPN is our sponsor, and they provide VPN services. So if you're looking for security and privacy while you're on the go, they're a great option. Check them out, ProXPN. There's a deal below in the description for 50% off if you need a VPN. Check them out. That's it, folks. Cheers. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks everybody. Bye-bye.